Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to build the user interface where single user will see other users and then select from those users to chat with. So currently our activity is empty and there is no user, the screen is blank. So from this video onward, we're going to retrieve the list of users into a recycler view and then set an on-click listener for each of the users on the screen. Okay, so my Android Studio is open here, and there's something I want to mention which I think I forgot to talk about in the last video, the initialization of Firebase storage. So please make sure you add this to your code. And in the pattern of this video, I put a link to the full project in the comments. So if you go to the video before this, you should see it. Okay, so in the main activity, what we're going to do, our main activity is currently empty. And I'm not quite sure why my login activity is still telling me that it cannot resolve the class when the entire code is running. So I don't think I'll bother about that. Okay, so I'm going to, the first thing we want to do now is to create a model class, and then inside the model class we have to fetch the model class will act as the data for the users. So what I mean is that in Android developments, for you to get the data through the internet and pass it to an activity, well, in this case it's an object. For you to be able to do that fluently, you need to serialize the data that is coming from the internet. So in this application, our data is coming from Firebase firestore. So the data needs to be serialized first before processing it or sending it into another activity. So to do that, Android has two ways of doing that, which the first is the serializable Java class, and then the other is parcelable. So in this video, I'm going to use parcelable to do that. Okay. So make sure you create a new calling file or class, and then this will be called user, and press enter. So after you press enter, we need to extend the parcelable. Oops, I took it. Yeah, we need to extend parcelable. I'm sure I spelled it correctly. Parcelable. Okay, so after this, we will need to implement some members. So I'm going to hover on my class and then click implement members. I need both of them and then click enter. So after doing this, the second thing I want is a constructor, which will be an empty constructor. And then I also need another constructor which will have some members in it. So this is going to be a private constructor. Now after before that, I want to declare my members. So we'll only retrieve the user email, no, sorry, not the user email, the username and the user image. So this will be for the name, and it will be a null string. This will be a null string, sorry, and this will be equal to null. And then the second one will be also a null string for the image. Now inside my constructor, my constructor will take in a parcel as an argument to parcel. Now inside the constructor, I want to read the string that's given from the parcel. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to say name equal to parcel dot read string. So I'm going to do that for the image also. So this will be for the image. Now this is I'm not sure what this implements the parcelable implement methods. I already did that. Okay, let's see. Add parcelable members. Okay, yeah, so we also needed the creator function and the new array. So the new array is inside the creator function. I was going to do that before he even asked. So now inside the describe content, where is describe content? So just the described content will just return 0, nothing on that. And then inside the write to parcel, where is it? So inside the write to parcel, I'm going to write the string to the parcel, right? So I'm going to use the des, which is giving return from the parcel. So I'm going to use the des, so it will copy this. So I'm going to say des.write string, and the string that is going to collect here is the first my name. Don't forget to assert this, and I'm going to copy this and paste just one more time for the image. Okay, so now we are done with the constructor, the write describe contents, write to parcel. Now there are two more methods left, which is the creator. So inside the creator already returns the user, which is a parcel. Okay, I don't think I need to do anything here. This was supposed to return the user, which already returned it. And if I try to assert this, not, this should give an error. Okay, so we're done here. So I'll stop the tutorial here, guys. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you have not, and like my videos. I will see you in the next video.